Hey YouTube, it's Sean. I'm deep in the Honda right now. Right up here in the fuse box underneath the dash. I don't know, I ain't even joking. There's like fuse box, wiring, all the things, okay? Behind the fuse box here, right in this area here, well, that's where this goes. You'll have a different box with a different number for every different model and stuff and year and stuff, but mine quit. And this is for the intermittent wipers and a lot of other things, but my intermittent wipers was the problem. Everything else worked. So what I did is I took the box apart. Here's the board out of one. This isn't the right board, but it did have the right relay. So this is the relay right here, and I desoldered it. Alright, and then I put the relay out of this one into this box right here, and we're gonna find out if it works. You know, this is just me doing this. So this goes. You'll have this wiring harness right here, and that plugs in back there, and then this plugs into the actual fuse box in the back. So what you got to do, and it's not easy to film this, I apologize for anything that you don't like here, but it's not very fun. And that just plugs in and pops into place, okay, right there. And then you take your wiring harness and plug it in right back in the back there, okay. And then you got to take your monkey puzzle here and put it back, your fuse box, and put it all back. Alright, but preliminary testing, what I'm going to do here. Hang on, let me lay this down, this camera down. Because preliminary testing, I took the main relay out. This is for the fuel pump. It also kills the ignition. I noticed it kills the fuel if it goes bad. So we're going to plug that back in. That's the main relay. It was in my way, so I took it out of the way. I'm going to plug that back in. These are just ground wires for, these are just ground wires for the radio, so they will not affect anything. So let me get you off the floor. And me off the ground, and that little relay hopefully was the deal. I don't know that. It sort of seemed to work if the car warmed up, like interior wise, if you turn the heater on. Now that don't sound like a relay, but I could not get this relay to I tested things and it didn't do well. So let me get up off this ground. With all these leaves and sticks and dirt. Anyway, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna find us a key here. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna turn on intermittent. Hey, looky there. It worked. And it's working again. So we had a bad relay, guys. Little bit of trouble, but it was free. Had to box this box that I had. I took it apart. Just took it apart, and it was just little clippies holding it together. And that was the problem, was that relay. So this is an A1 box. Mine is a B something or another. So anyway, we fixed it. let me get this whole thing put back together again, I suppose. That'd be the thing to do. That whole mess needs to go back up in the dash. But that's what I did today, guys. So far, anyway. With that little board. Produced this little relay that I needed. This is the old one out of that was in there. And there's 5 pins. And I could not for the life of me find my desoldering iron anywhere. So anyway, there it is. Alright folks, so the intermittent wiper problem is fixed again. The last time it went out, it was the actual switch. Well, switch works fine now. And now the wipers work again. So, that's what we're doing today. Alright, take it easy, man, guys, and if you have any questions about them little boxes or about any of that, let me know. Love y'all. God bless you. Bye-bye.